Hi everyone. Today in this video we will talk about review tabs, tracking, changes and protect group. Okay, so first we are starting with tracking. In this we have this track changes. Here this tracking and changes is linked together. So first of all, what is the use of this? Track changes will help you to track the changes made in your document after you have saved them by any other person. Okay, suppose I have typed this document. Okay, after that, whether you save it before that also, after that also, you can click on this track change. As you do this, it will flow like this. That means it is on now. Now if any person makes any change in your document, like if anyone erase anything, so you will get it like this. You can see the red line and the text is crossed, the text that I have or that anyone have deleted. Okay, if I type any extra text here like this, I'm typing my name here, so you will get it in red color like this. If you make any formatting means if anyone make any change in the size, color, anything, like I'm changing size, it was 11, now I'm making it 18. So you can see formatted font size 18 point. If I make it bold, look, bold. If I make it underline, like, or you'll get the information about the changes made in your document using this track changes. It will give you any type of change information, whether we have anything removed from your document, whether we have added anything or we have made any of the change, anyone. Okay, now these settings are with this one. If we want to see the changes, you can use it like this. Previous, your cursor or your selection is moving, look, next, like this. Okay, and here we can select the settings, like right now it is selected final and show markup, means you are getting the final text along with the markup, means whatever changes have been made. If you click on this final, look, your that indications are gone. You are not getting the indication and your data is deleted from here. Look, here we have typed, so anything, you are getting only your data, but you are not getting the indication what was the changes made to your document. If you make it like this, look, again. Okay, third one, original and show markup, means this is your original text along with markup, means look, the formatting is removed from here. This is coming in red color. Okay, here that is in red color, but your data is original data that you have typed earlier. And if you want to remove the marker also, you have to click on this original. Look, it is back again. Here the text is removed, here the formatting is removed. So this will help you to change the indication of your text. Now these two are not important for you. They will just, suppose if you want to remove the formatting, means if you don't want to highlight this, so you can do this. If you don't want to show the markup and highlight, they will be gone. Insertions and deletions are gone like this. So by using this, you can control your indications, which indication you want to show, which you don't want to. Okay, and this reviewing plane will give you the information about this document, that deleted thing is ALLE, inserted thing is this one, formatted thing is this one. This is your track changes. Now you can control this also by using this accept and reject, means are you satisfied with this deletion that someone or somebody has made? You have two options: accept this change or reject this change. If you click on this accept, means this text will be deleted from here because it was deleted by any other person and you are agree with it. That's why you are clicking accept. But if you say no, I want my text as it was earlier, as I have saved it earlier, so you have to click on this reject. Okay, so I am clicking on this reject. As I do this, this text will come again and this red line and this strike through will be removed. First of all, you have to select the text from here, then you can accept or reject. I am rejecting because I don't want to remove this. I want my this gallery's word complete as it was earlier, so I have to click on reject. Look, next your text will move to the next change. Now again you can select accept or reject. If you want to display this text here, you have to select accept, means you are accepting the change made by anyone else. But if you say no, I want my text as it was earlier, you have to click on reject. Third one, like this, same here. Whether you are satisfied with this formatting, then you have to click on accept. If you want your text as simple as it was like this, you have to click on reject. Okay, so I am clicking on accept. If I do this, text is formatted and you get the message. The document contains no comments or track changes. You have to click on OK, and this is your final text or final data. Okay, so this track change will simply help you track the changes made by anyone else. Changes may include any deletion, any insertion, or any formatting. Okay, and next we are talking about this protect. In this, only one thing is there: restrict editing. Means if you want to lock this text, if you want to make sure that nobody should touch my text, no one should make the changes in this, so you can protect it with the password. How? Let's see. You have to click on this. Here you have to select on this second option, allow only this type of editing stuff, and here you have to go with this no changes, read only. Means we are allowing different persons this document as a read only, means they can read only but they are not able to make any change. Okay, and then you have to click on this yes, start enforcing protection. Look, before that I am showing you. Look, right now I am pressing the backspace. Look, this van is deleted. Okay, but now I'm starting this yes, start enforcing protection, and it will ask you for a password. You can type any password. I am giving 123. Here again 123. Okay, now your password is your document is protected. Now if I try to press the backspace key, or if I want to type anything, if I want to select the change, it will allow you to select the text. But if you want to make any change, look, they are not having it. Look. So now this text, or you can say this document, is read only. The persons can read only, but they can't make any change in that. Now if you want to make change, you have to click on this. Look here, stop protection. As you click on this, you will get the option to type the password. Type your password here and click on OK. Now you are able to make any change. Look, they are written like this. If I want to make it like this. Okay, this is the way by which you can allow anyone to make changes, and you can restrict them to not to touch your document. Okay, that's it for this video.